Welcome to breakfast time. I'm making some grilled sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches this morning, so I have the sausage cooking. I'm about to start the eggs. This used to be one of my favorite breakfasts when I was little, only I would get a grilled cheese with just bacon, no eggs on it. Anyway, I thought this morning I would make grilled sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches, so that's what we're going to do. Got the sausage going here. I'm about to start the eggs. Oh, and we're just going to use the rest of the sourdough bread that I have. Okay, y'all, it's a long time later. I think it's a little bit after 3 o'clock, but I wanted to show y'all some of the stuff we got from Ollie's yesterday. I did get that kettle, but they've already got it, and Titus is hanging up the chicken curtain right now because we also stopped and got the rod for that window above the kitchen sink. Ollie's didn't have one. We had to stop at Dollar General. They did have one. Anyway, from Ollie's, I got this shower curtain. We're painting the bathroom. It's going to be almost the same as the sandy clay and the gondola, the, you know, tan and brown like we did the stairs and all. We have a creamy, really light yellow color and a charcoal color that we're either going to do it with that or the sandy clay and the gondola. But anyway, I got this shower curtain. It's like a really light brown color. It was $9.99. It says their price $24.99. Ollie's price $9.99. And I got a curtain liner. And then I got this rug. It matches really good with the shower curtain to go in the bathroom. It was $6.99, I think. Yeah, $6.99. The liners were $5, I think. Yeah, $4.99. And Sissy needed new curtains for her room, so we got these. Surprisingly, they had 3. She has 3 of the really long, almost from ceiling to floor windows in her room. I thought for sure they're not going to have 3 of them because, you know, that's the way it is at Ollie's. It's just like these were originally from Walmart. It's the Mainstays brand, but for some reason, Walmart didn't want them anymore, so they sent them to Ollie's. And normally it's very hard to find the exact, like if you need a bunch of them, it's hard to find them at Ollie's, but they had 3, so we got those for Sissy's room. This is the kettle that we got. It was $19.99, and I couldn't remember while we were in there. I knew that Aldi had some this week because some of y'all told me about it. I was gonna go to Aldi and get one because I got one from there, you know, a year and a half ago and loved it, but then it stopped working. So I was gonna get another one from there, but we saw these and I was pretty sure that was close to the same price as the ones Aldi had, and it was. These were $19.99. When I got home, I checked on Aldi's weekly ad, and those are $18.99. So this was $1 more, but anyway, so we got that, and then I did grab some cookbooks while I was in there. They had so many good ones this time, y'all. I had like probably 8 picked up, and I was trying to decide which ones I wanted to get. So I did get the homemade Amish cooking one. I got this. Oh, it was $7.99. I got this Taste of Home Blue Ribbon Winners. It was $3.99. The funny thing about this one is it wasn't even with the books. It was over on the aisle with the kitchen stuff. Apparently somebody picked it up and then decided not to get it, so I got that one. It also has different stories in here. That's one thing I really liked about this one. Like, there are just different little pictures and stories throughout the book too, so got that one. Titus got this one. I didn't know this was still over here with the cookbooks. Ooh, that looks good.
Can you make that one?
Yeah, you want to make that one day?
Yeah.
We sure will. What is this? Oh, this is some kind of meatloaf.
Yeah, it's some kind.
This one is Adventures in Comfort Food. It was $2.99, and the last one was this one, My Pinewood Kitchen. It was $3.99. So that was our Ollie's bargain outlet haul this time. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. The kids did get some stuff, but they got their stuff out. They had it in the van, you know, on the way home, so. We've got some ground beef cooking, chopping up an onion. We've got pinto beans, diced tomatoes with green chilies, tomato sauce, tomato paste, taco seasoning, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. What are we making? Taco chili. And fried cornbread to go with it. Everybody loved that Everybody loved that fried cornbread that I made with, what did I make that with last week? Whatever I made it with. A lot of cooking goes down around here. So I was gonna make a skillet of cornbread, but I decided I'd just do the fried cornbread again. I'm gonna put the onion in here with the ground beef. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm gonna get a bowl and mix up the cornbread. I've already got some oil over here in a pan for that. I knew it was you. I could smell you getting off the elevator.
Mama, but I was stalking on you.
You were?
Uh-huh.
What? Like I was prey or something?
No, I was playing like the predator. Could not hear me though?
Were you a leopard?
Yeah, could not hear me.
I couldn't hear you, no. What happened was I saw you out of the corner of my eye.
Mama, keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
Keep your nose closed.
My eyes and my nose closed. Okay, I got it. I can't smell or see anything. Ah, it's a predator! You got me. I put a little bit of salt and pepper in here when I make these into fried cornbread cakes. We got the ground beef drain. We're putting in half a cup of water and the taco seasoning. And mix this all together. And we'll go ahead and put a little salt and pepper. I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of chili powder, and then we'll taste it here in just a little bit when we get everything in here and see if we need more. A teaspoon of ground cumin. A lot of this, you know, is already in the taco seasoning pack, but since I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef, I need a little extra. And I only had 1 pack of taco seasoning, so we're kind of just tossing in a little homemade there. We'll check. Oh yeah, these are ready. Let me get these off real fast. We're going to put in a can of tomato sauce. Now we're going to put in the can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, not drained. Then we are going to drain the pinto beans when we get ready to put those in. I'm going to put in half a can of this tomato paste. There's our taco chili. We've got some cheese and sour cream and peppers that we'll put on top of it. We're just going to let it sit over here and simmer. If I need to, I'll just keep an eye on it. If I need to, I'll add a little more water. Cornbread is almost done. I got the last batch going. This was quick, 20 minutes. Look, there's a little bitty baby one. Okay, y'all, we already tasted this. It is great. And I forgot to tell y'all, the original recipe for it said to serve tortilla chips with it, you know, like the little tortilla strips chips, you know, the little bitty ones. I didn't have any of those or any tortilla strips, so that's why I went with the cornbread. But yeah, you can just sprinkle the tortilla strips over the top. I was also surprisingly out of cheese that we could shred. I only had these singles slices, so I just cut it up into little pieces. That's what's going on top of this taco chili tonight. It'll still be good.